How to integrate retention.com with Klaviyo. By the way, this is the third video in our retentionmastery.com course. If you have not checked the previous video, we strongly recommend for you to go back and start from the beginning so you can understand the logic of the course, this mini course, and use retention.com to the fullest potential. So how to integrate retention.com with Klaviyo. So let's go to my computer and I will walk you through step by step. So first of all, let's log into our Klaviyo account and let's log into our retention.com account. I logged into both accounts. So on retention.com, we click on integrations. And as you can see, I don't have any integration. You click add integration and you look for Klaviyo. They, by the way, they have an old logo, so maybe in the future they will update it. Add now. And now we need to add API. By the way, if you don't know where to find API, we have another video, but just to save you time, I'll show you quickly. So you go to Klaviyo, bottom left corner, you click on your company name, you click on settings, and you click on API keys. So as you can see in retention.com, there's API key. They do not specify which key they need, but I know for sure that they need private API key. So let's go back to Klaviyo and let's create you need to create new API key. So create private API key. We want to do grant full access for every API scope. Call it retention.com, so it's easy for you to find in the future. Create. You cannot use dots. Let's do underscore. Create. You cannot use underscore, so let's do space. Create. It worked. I have my API key here. I click copy. I go back to retention.com. Click here. Connect, and it's asking me, do you want automatically suppress context from Klaviyo? And the answer should be always yes, unless you have very specific cases why you do not want to do it. To understand what is a suppression list and how does it work, you need to go back to the first video of this retention.com mastery course to understand how to set up, how to use, and what's the logic behind suppression list. Okay, stay tuned and check another video about segment setup for retention.com and explanation of each segment.